Magandang hapon po ng October 26, 2023 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5pm result ngayong hapon ng October 26, 2023 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, October 26, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 26, 2023, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 22 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 15.8 million pesos for October 26, 2023, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for October 26, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.